Today's video is about why you should turn off background app refresh iPhone or iPad right now. Research shows that there are between 60 and 90 apps installed on the average smartphone. Apps like Facebook not only uses information from your activity on Facebook and its related products like Instagram to target you with ads, but the company also relies on data from third-party websites to do this. But if you think they do this just when you are using them, you are a bit wrong. Most of the apps on your device are still working even if you are not using them, especially at night. Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram and many others have to use this service to fetch new data while being idle. That's the reason why the more apps you installed on your phone, the shorter the battery life lasts. But there is a solution to this. If you ask me for one setting that can really extend your iPhone battery life and limit your data usage, I would say to turn off background app refresh. It's a great way to limit power and also data consumption drastically. Hey, this is Parviz from Techlavas. I'm here to help you to save your valuable time and energy from searching and being confused among thousands of apps. I'm gonna recommend you only the apps that I've used and tested and I have real experience with. These videos take a long time to make, so if after watching you'd like to show your appreciation, make sure to hit that subscription button, the thumbs up and the notification bell. It would mean a lot to me. Without further ado, let's get started. So what I'm gonna do is to head over to the setting, general, and click on background app refresh. And you see the apps that not only use data for their own advertisement purposes, but also they send data to tracking companies in the background and you're not aware of it. Now I'm gonna turn off background app refresh to save the battery power, data usage, and my own privacy protection. I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to give me the motivation for the better videos in the future. See you soon.